and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from DP Clubs. So yeah, they were kind enough to let me choose some items to share with you all. And this first one, so to start with this one that's shiny and sparkly all over the place, this is actually a sheet of diamonds, pre-stuck, and I'm pretty sure they're sticky. Or are they? I'm pretty sure they were. Let me just see if there is something to peel off on the back, or whether you do need to put glue on them. Because I cannot quite remember. Oh no, they are sticky. So they do have a coating on, which makes them sticky on the back. And these are something that's probably been about for crafts for a while, but I hadn't seen them diamond painting wise. And I thought this could be something that could be used in a few different ways, but sort of the ways I thought of is, you know, if you have a picture that you've finished that you need to frame, but the frame that you've got is maybe a couple of rows of diamonds more, or even if you're doing it on mount board or you're hanging it on a clip thing, maybe you could cut down this, so you can cut this into any size shape that you want. You could cut this into strips and actually create a border around a diamond painting. You could use it, you know, maybe as single diamonds that you then replace with a bit of glue, though that I think cutting something out of it would be a little bit better. Maybe you could use it to decorate. So maybe, for example, your photo boxes or something. Maybe you want a nice little decorative nameplate so that you know what the difference is. Maybe you just want to decorate the cover of a notebook or something. There's loads and loads of different colours. I just picked a colour for the purposes of showing you guys. But yeah, this could be used to cover a notebook. It could be used to cut into strips to border around a diamond painting. The possibilities are endless, and I know you guys will have a load more ideas and thoughts on that as well. But yeah, I'll pop a link to it down below. As I say, there are some different colours and stuff, but I thought these would be just a fun thing to have for when you do need to either add that extra little sparkle, or you want to add that sparkle to something else in your life. Sparkle is a good thing. So that was number one. Number two. Oh, if I can get into it. This is a full diamond painting, and this just caught my eye, partly for colour and partly because of the image. So it's like a moon or the earth with the planets around it and the orbit of those planets. Yeah, I just thought it was fun. Could just be abstract and could be nothing, but you know. It's 24 different colours. It does come in a round. You do get a toolkit. It looks like it has a bit of a bigger border. So it's still 24 across, and it is 34 deep. So it is a little bit wider border, but not too much, and it doesn't take away the image quality. The quality is still good. And we have got some bright colours in here, of course, mixed in with some more muted as well. But we've got some, you know, brighter greens, as well as your deeper, darker colours. And then some more light ones. There's your bright section. Ta-da! And then some more bright colours there. So there is, as I say, quite bright colours mixed in with a little bit more muted colours. Depending on where you are on the painting, really. It's more muted down here than it is up there. But there's enough colour variety to keep it fun, I think. symbols, there is white on black as well as black on white to make it easy and clear to see. It's very much a confetti painting, this one. That's probably your biggest block of colour there. Maybe you've got some big blocks down here on the letter D, but I don't think you'd be, you know, interchanging what colour you're using as much as, say, what I do on the Heaven and Earth design with 200 and odd colours, but it definitely will keep your interest. And then last but by no means least is this monster. This is a square. All the square paintings at the moment do seem to be rather big. Not that I'm objecting, but you're ready for the size of this one. Try and get it flat. Can you see what it is yet? Can you tell what it is now? So this has 24 colours. Oh, I've just noticed there's more to this painting than you first see and that I saw. So just to confirm, can you, if you have a look here, so you can see what I'm seeing, 45 by 85. This is a big monster. So it has 24 colours. It does have DMC numbers, but look at these two here at the bottom. Can you see them? Oh, and it's not square, sorry, it's round. I thought it was square because I couldn't see the shadows. I can't see the shadows on the symbols that they often put round ones. But look, we've got some big bits there, down the seahorse and round the edge of the seahorse. And then we have some here as well that are scattered in with. And look at all the bubbles. We have all the bubbles. But yeah, you actually get 2 special diamonds in with this. Sorry, it's not square though, it is round. You get 2 toolkits in case you want to share. But if you like to mix up your special with your not special, let's check out the width of this. So width-wise, it is about 40. And hang on, because this is big. And this way, it is just short of 80 if you actually flatten it out a little bit more. But doesn't he look like he's, I don't know, is it a he or a she? They're definitely posing, I think. I think it's definitely a posing seahorse. As you can imagine, there is a lot of diamonds for this one, because it's such a big diamond painting. We'll have a look at the specials in a minute. Let's just do a quick run through of the colours. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that blue as well. So we've got some bright in with some not so bright. We do have multiple packets of some, especially because we have so much light blue in the background, so it's not fully dark blue. We do have some black, and then, as well as the 3866, we have big red and big white for popping up and down. So number 24 is the red. So the red is around the outside, dotted around the outside of the seahorse, and the white is more here in this scattering, is where the white goes. Me likes. I like it when you get a surprise one as well. It's probably me not paying enough attention, but the fact that you get to add those special ones as you go through is really, really nice. I do like that in the diamond painting. So I will pop links, of course, to them all down below, but we have our very attractive posing seahorse, our abstract solar system, and something a little bit different if you wanted to jazz it up at the end, create yourself an extra little bit of a border, or maybe you just want to use it for some other project and jazz up a frame. But I say there's a few different colours of those if you want to diamondify other items in your life. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.